Welcome, dear friends. Today, we will explore how to use your mind to manifest anything you want. This powerful concept isn't just about wishful thinking or simple attraction. It delves into the profound connections between our thoughts, emotions, and the reality we experience. By understanding and applying these principles, you can begin to shape the world around you in ways that truly reflect your deepest desires. Let's begin by considering the foundation of manifestation, our thoughts. It may seem obvious to say that everything created by humans once started as a thought. From the chair you are sitting on to the device you are using to hear these words, they all began as an idea in someone's mind. This simple observation reveals a fundamental truth about our reality. Thoughts are not just elements of consciousness. They are the seeds of physical reality. Now, if our thoughts can lead to such complex creations, imagine what they can do when we focus them with intention on our personal desires. However, it's crucial to understand that not all thoughts are created equal in the realm of manifestation. For thoughts to become things, they must be empowered by clarity, focus, and emotion. Think about a time when you were completely absorbed in a task or a dream. The chances are that you were experiencing a mixture of clear vision and emotional engagement. This combination is what sets the stage for manifestation. But how do we achieve such a state? It starts with clarity. Clarity means knowing precisely what you want, not just having a vague idea. It requires you to define your desire in as much detail as possible. Imagine wanting a new home. Rather than just picturing any house, you envision the style of the house, the surroundings, the colors, the number of rooms, and even the feelings you wish to experience in each room. This specificity helps direct your mental energy more effectively. Once clarity is established, the next step is focus. Focus is the ability to hold your vision steadily in your mind, to return to it repeatedly, and to keep it from being overshadowed by contradictory thoughts. This is where many falter in their manifestation journey. It's easy to get distracted or to let doubts creep in. Maintaining focus requires practice. It involves daily visualization, where you immerse yourself in the reality of your desire, seeing it as already fulfilled. This practice not only reinforces your clarity but also begins to align your subconscious mind with your goals. Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lessons. But clarity and focus would be incomplete without emotion. Emotion is the fuel that gives your thoughts the power to manifest. When you think about your desires, you need to feel the excitement, joy, or peace that comes with them. The emotional charge behind your thoughts sends a powerful signal into the universe, a signal that says, "This is important to me." It also aligns your vibration with that of your desires, making you more receptive to opportunities and synchronicities related to them. This brings us to an important question. How do you feel about the things you desire? Do these desires excite you? Do they feel right in the depths of your soul? If not, it may be time to reconsider what you are asking for. True manifestation isn't just about getting what you think you want. It's about fulfilling your deepest aspirations, which resonate with your core values and sense of purpose. Now, I invite you to reflect on the desires you have. Are they clear, focused, and charged with positive emotion? If we can begin to align these three powerful elements, we are well on our way to mastering the art of manifestation. Harmonizing beliefs with desires, the key to unlocking manifestation mastery. In this next segment, we will explore the art of aligning our beliefs with our desires to effectively manifest our dreams. This is crucial because even if we have clarity, focus, and emotion, If our beliefs are not in alignment, they can obstruct our ability to manifest. Beliefs are the undercurrents that drive much of our conscious and subconscious thoughts. They shape our perceptions, influence our reactions, and, most importantly, dictate the boundaries of what we think is possible. If your beliefs are not in sync with your desires, you'll find that your efforts to manifest are often met with resistance, frustration, and disappointment. Let's consider a common scenario. You desire financial abundance, but deep down, you harbor beliefs such as money is the root of all evil, or you have to work hard to earn money. These beliefs are in direct conflict with the ease and abundance you wish to manifest. The first step in aligning your beliefs with your desires is to identify such limiting beliefs. This process involves introspection and honesty. You must be willing to examine your thoughts and feelings around your desires closely. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, the next step is to transform them. This transformation doesn't happen overnight and requires a consistent effort. One effective method is to replace each limiting belief with an empowering belief. For instance, instead of thinking, money is the root of all evil, you could adopt a belief like, money is a tool that can be used to create positive change in the world. To embed these new beliefs, repetition is key. You can use affirmations, which are positive present tense statements that you repeat to yourself daily. These affirmations should reflect your new beliefs and be phrased in such a way that they evoke emotion and a sense of truth. For example, an affirmation like, I effortlessly attract abundance into my life, can start to shift your mindset and align your subconscious with your conscious desires. Another powerful technique is visualization. However, instead of just visualizing the end result, visualize yourself acting and reacting with your new beliefs. Imagine how you would feel, what decisions you would make, and how you would communicate. This helps to solidify the belief in your subconscious, making it a natural part of your thought processes. But why is it so hard to change our beliefs? Our beliefs are often ingrained during our early years, and they are reinforced by our experiences and the societal and cultural norms around us. Changing a belief is like rerouting a well-trodden path in your brain. It requires effort and persistence. This is why it's important to surround yourself with environments and people who support your new beliefs and aspirations. Community and environment can have a profound impact on the success of your manifestation efforts. Now, let's pose a deep question. What would it mean for you to live in a reality where your beliefs fully support your dreams? Imagine the sense of alignment, the flow of your actions, and the joy in your experiences. As we wrap up this part, remember that aligning your beliefs with your desires is a transformative process that unlocks the true power of manifestation. It's about creating an internal environment that nurtures and supports the external reality you wish to create. Creating resilience in your manifestation journey. As we continue our exploration on how to use your mind to manifest anything you want, it is important to discuss resilience. This is the ability to stay committed to your manifestation journey despite the challenges and setbacks you might encounter. Resilience isn't just about dealing with difficulties. It's about using them as catalysts for growth and further alignment with your desires. To cultivate resilience, it's essential to understand and accept that challenges are part of the manifestation process. They are not signs that you should give up, but rather opportunities to deepen your understanding and strengthen your commitment. Every challenge is a question being asked of your desires. How much do you want this? And what are you willing to do or change to make this happen? One of the first steps in building resilience is to maintain a flexible mindset. This means being open to different outcomes and paths to your goal. Often we get attached to a specific result or a particular way of achieving our desires. This rigidity can block other opportunities and ways our desires might manifest. For instance, if you're aiming to manifest a new job, be open to opportunities that might come in unexpected forms, such as a freelance project that could lead to more substantial, more consistent work. Another key element in developing resilience is maintaining a practice of gratitude. Gratitude keeps your focus on abundance rather than lack, and it helps maintain a high vibrational frequency in your life. It's much easier to attract what you want when you are in a state of appreciation rather than dissatisfaction. Each day, try to list at least 3 things you are grateful for. These can be as simple as a sunny day, a delicious meal, or meaningful progress toward your goals. This practice not only improves your mood and outlook, but also aligns you more closely with the abundance you seek to manifest. Mindfulness is also a pivotal tool in building resilience. It involves being present in the moment and observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Through mindfulness, you can notice when you're slipping into negativity or doubt and consciously choose to shift your focus back to positive and empowering thoughts. This awareness prevents you from being swept away by temporary setbacks and helps maintain your focus on your long-term vision. Let's consider a deep question. How can your challenges be reframed as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks? By shifting your perspective, you can transform obstacles into opportunities to reaffirm your commitment and clarify your desires. Lastly, resilience in manifestation also requires consistent action. While manifestation starts with thoughts and emotions, these need to be backed by actions. Actions create energy and momentum. They make your intentions clear to the universe. Even small steps, when consistently taken, can lead to big changes. Each action you take should affirm your beliefs and demonstrate your commitment to your goals. As we conclude this part of our discussion, remember that resilience is not about never falling, but about how many times you're willing to stand up and continue moving forward with even greater resolve. Your journey to manifesting your desires is as much about the process as it is about the outcome. The art of harmonious integration, living your truth. In this final part of our journey, we delve into the essence of manifestation, which is not merely about creating specific outcomes, but about living in true harmony with your deepest values and visions. This stage is where you not only manifest your desires, but also embody the principles of manifestation in every aspect of your life. The process of harmonious integration involves aligning your thoughts, emotions, actions, and environment with your core intentions. It's about making your desired state of being a lived reality every day. This is where the magic truly happens, as you become a living example of your beliefs and aspirations. To embody your desires, start by acting as if you have already achieved them. This as-if mentality isn't about pretending or being inauthentic. It's a powerful practice that aligns your entire being with your desires. If you wish to be more peaceful, for example, ask yourself, how would a peaceful person respond to this situation? By doing this, you are not only acting in alignment with your desired state, but also reinforcing it within yourself. Develop daily rituals that reinforce your intentions. These could be as simple as a morning meditation, writing affirmations, or visualizing your goals. Rituals help to center your mind, setting a positive tone for the day and keeping your focus on your objectives. They turn abstract desires into concrete daily practices, integrating your aspirations with your everyday life. Manifestation is an ongoing process of learning and adaptation. It requires a commitment to personal growth and the flexibility to adjust your path as needed. Stay open to new insights and be willing to refine your strategies as you grow. The path to manifestation is rarely linear. It involves cycles of action, reflection, learning, and deeper understanding. Evaluate your environment and relationships. Do they support your goals and values? Surrounding yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and support your aspirations is crucial. Similarly, creating an environment that reflects your goals can significantly boost your mindset and productivity. For example, if your goal is to write a book, create a dedicated, inspiring workspace for writing. Finally, share your journey with others. This could be through teaching, mentoring, or simply by being an example. Sharing not only helps others but also reinforces your understanding and commitment to your manifestation goals. It creates a feedback loop where teaching and sharing deepen your own understanding and practices. As we wrap up our discussion, remember that manifestation is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. It's about becoming more conscious of who you are, aligning your life with your deepest values, and living each day with intention. When you live in this way, manifestation becomes not just something you do, but who you are, a creator of your reality. Thank you for embarking on this profound journey with me. As you continue to explore and apply these principles, may your life unfold in beautiful, unexpected ways, filled with joy, growth, and fulfillment. Are you ready to step into this harmonious way of living and truly manifest your highest potential?